Remember the viral Brazilian cheese bread I made on my channel a while ago? At this exact moment, I thought this would work better as a dessert. I worked on it, and this is what I came up with. This was an experiment, so the experiment started from the beginning. We ditched the food processor and used a mixing bowl. Add in your tapioca flour, 200 grams, which is about half a cup. To that, you're gonna add 100 grams of white crystal sugar, which is about half a cup, shredded pistachios, about 2/3 of a cup, which is about 100 grams. This is for the dry ingredients, so mix them up well. For the wet ingredients, we're gonna add 150 grams of whole fat milk, which is about 2/3 of a cup, 2 beaten eggs, 50 grams of good olive oil, which is about a 1/4 cup, and a 1/4 cup of shortening, which is about 50 grams. By hand, mix all those ingredients. Now we get our muffin tray. To guarantee the non-stickiness of the dessert, spray in some non-stick spray. Since we expect the dessert to expand, don't fill them all the way through. Just fill in your muffin tray 3/4 of the way. That way, it has room to expand. As you will soon see, the decision not to use a food processor will soon haunt me. Into the oven it goes for 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius. And this is the result. As you can see, it's not as smooth as the Brazilian cheese bread. I think you should use a food processor when you're trying out this recipe. It came very rough. I hope that we have some tapioca flour experts. Let me know in the comment why it looks like this. Not using a food processor made it a rough surface, not a smooth surface. I would definitely suggest serving this with some syrup, a simple sugar syrup, or honey. And that's what I'm doing here, adding some honey. I hope that you experiment and try out this recipe. Let me know how it goes in the comment. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your friends. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you in the next video.